Hello guys, you're watching Technology Welfare. Let's learn and watch me practically in this tutorial how to recover your Gmail password in case you forgot your Gmail password, lost your Gmail password, someone who has hacked your Gmail password. Now you don't have the recovery email and the recovery phone and you are having that. More tips to recover these accounts because you did not provide enough information. You cannot also attempt that. Answer as many questions we can. Use a device where we have signed in before, and the third, any alternative email that is added on this particular link. So that within 48 hours you can recover. This idea has been recommended by one viewer who has lost his device, and due to that he has especially recommended to us recover this ID. So we are trying to recover this ID, but we don't have a password, we don't have the recovery email and the recovery phone. However, I will show you that how easily you can recover it. Try another way. Just we will approach here. Try another way because it's asking a last password. It's asking so the phone number OTP we don't have. So now here is more tips to recover this accounts. But if we are having here, then this ID can be recovered quickly. We will cut it from here, and the phone we will have to come in a Play Store, guys. Let's see. In a Play Store, we will have to go for here to download one browser, that is especially click on a pure and web browser. Yes, it says costly 11 MB, so it will be quickly downloaded. Just we will cut it from here. Let me cut it from here because it has started to a download. We will come on here, that G browser. We will have to some changes here, so just we will click on here. Notifications, if you will have enabled, then make it disable. Then we'll back. We will have to come in a permission. In permission, when it's we will tap on a location. In location you will have a allow all the time and the precise location enable. So make it disable and click here don't allow anyway. So now see it has done. We'll have to back. Then we will come on here, open by defaults. You will have enable, so clear 4-5 times here. Then of course we will come on here. Then we will cut it from here. As we know that we have another browser, that's a Chrome. Similar things we will have to do here. Come notification make it off. You will have enable, so make it disable. Then we will come in a permission. In the permission we will come in a location. In location, of course, we will click here don't allow, so it's allow. So just make it the precise location you will have enabled, so make it disable first, then click here don't allow anyway, so no longer function as intended. This thing will happen. Now what we will do, guys, here, take any smartphones, make it especially free. Yes, free of space, so you will have to disable and remove permissions, and then we will back. And yes, here we will click on browser app. There we will have to make it this one. So now we can confirm it. Here is a no. Here is no means now. Let's try. Here we'll tap on this and thereupon of course we will come on here. Just we will write Google. Simply we will have to write and of course we will go for searching. Now in searching, of course we will have to go for sign in, guys. Let's say sign in, and here simply we will have to tap this particular Gmail ID. So let's see. Here it is, friends. Now we will tap on to next and see here. Here is also asking password, guys. Of course we will go for forgot. Yes, we will go for try another way. Click on here, try another way. We will approach the another way. Always pick a exceptional or alternative options. Yes, don't have a phone number. Now here is more tips to recover these accounts on this browser is also coming. So this ID, don't click on here. This account may be freeze because multiple times we have attempted to recover. But of course we will use this more tips to recover by coming on a setting, guys. So we will come on a setting. Let's tap on it and see here how easily this ID can be recovered. We will come in a Google Preferences and Services. So here it is, Files. Now here is options, that help options. Just we will have to pick these ones, and when we pick this, then here is the conscience in this Gmail accounts. Now see easily how we have reached here. Just we will pick this one. You think someone else is using these accounts, we'll pick these ones. Then we will have options that here, see, secure these accounts. We will tap on it. When we will click on secure these accounts, and then here we will have options in that. Two options. One is a review your account activities. Second is that, yes, review which devices you, yes, uses your account. Now here if we click on that, we will have options in that. We can review how many devices are logging on the particular. If it is hacked, then you can check it out as what's the device is logging. If you forgot that where it was added, then of course you can go for review, and by that we can find out that on which device this ID is logged. Then of course we can reset via that device also. So it is easily to but here we will go for, see, here is also find out if your account has been hacked. But don't click on here, just we will come on here and review your devices and we can check it out. But now we will come on activities, because if you are not sure, then of course we will come on here, find out if your account has been hacked. Then of course we will have options in that. Check it out that account recovery page is coming. Tap on it. Now here simply we will have to type this particular ID. Let's see. And simply we will have to click on next. Now see guys here. Don't click on continue. Just we will go for here that change the password. Why so? Because if you click on here, then you would be trapped in it. Verify your options. You don't have the recovery email, recovery phone, so that you can reset. So firstly we will go for change the password. When we will tap on here, then this page will be open, guys. Here now we will write here password, confirms a new password, and upon change it. After changing that, we will add a recovery email first, and then after having. So how would I? After changing, we will go especially in there and click on here. Here is a manage your Gmail accounts. When we tap on a manage your Gmail accounts, what will happen, guys? You will have a security option there. Add a firstly email. After having the email OTP, then remove recovery phone number that was registered. Add a new number as the recovery, so that permanently this ID will be fully secured. On the live screen, I'm sorry that we cannot create a strong password because we will have to deliver in this ID to this viewer. There is a data privacy concern also. So this is all about in this video tutorials. To know more information, more update notifications, of course, drop the query in the comments box. A pleasure would be mine to reply your query, and like, subscribe, and share up this content. So thank you very much indeed. Have a great time. Bye bye.